Stop taking those selfies. You're on in 5.
You. Right, I need to get dressed.
Is that not your show outfit?
As if. Change!
That's great.
No, bored with this one.
Please, take your parking ticket.
Can I look after that for you, Captain?
Sure. Did you? Now, powering down the Jefferson's engines isn't for first-timers, Sid. It's a job for experts, professionals.
Oh, what do you need to do?
Press this button here.
My first Jefferson spaceship landing, my first parking ticket, my first time seeing Nova Jones behind the scenes. This is zeepy exciting.
What's Zeepy?
It's like very, 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 very. Well, with an extra very for every very.
The changeover between songs 11 to 12 is too fast. Nova needs time to have a secret nap behind the speakers. The planet's gravity is low, so please remember to turn on the magnetized stage. Otherwise, Nova's likely to float out into space again.
Wow, 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 wow! This is where Nova makes her music and watches TV and sleeps. Zeepy cool.
I picked one. Right, are you fully prepared?
Yes.
What's the planet's name?
Poop world.
Hoop World. Hoops. Literally just the shape of the rings around the planet. Hoops World. Hello, Hoop World. Got it? Probably.
What's this?
Nova, this is Sid. He's our new midshipman.
Hello.
Sid? Breathing?
Right, awkward fan moment. How do I usually get out of these? Oh. Meeting over. I'm doing music now.
Nova's in motion, coming to the stage. Places, people. Showtime. Set list. Watch out for love means never having to tidy my room. She's moved it to 9th. Choreography sent to the system. The bit where they make the shape of a dancing elephant is brilliant. Lighting setup already programmed. Oh, and you'll need this. Nova invented a new color. Your password is snoozy time. 2 O's.
McLaren, I can't find my zoomy CE thingy. Microscope. Brilliant. Thanks.
Nova?
I'm upset. Help me, I'm upset.
What's the matter?
On TV. They're going to pick where I perform at random. At random.
I know. We agreed it months ago. Remember? I've got it all in hand. Your song lists, all chosen, choreography, programmed. The colour you've invented's been added to the light.
I do love my new colour. I'm calling it Brian.
Nice, very warm.
It's just, if I don't know which planet we're going to, how can I know what to wear?
Whoa. Hang on. What to wear? What else would make a music star Nova Jones wear to a brand new planet but... brand new tiara? Wait,
What is that?
a cuddly toy animal called Gurgle?
I don't like it.
It's weird. It's a pet that hardly moves. Well, stay calm. I can't have ordered the wrong thing. That wouldn't be very me, would it? Look at all this packaging. No, none of this can be recycled. I'll be sending a complaint. Oh, but please calm down!
My little pumpkin strudel. Do you love your cuddles? Yeah, you do, Gurgle. Look at his little face. Too earthy. Smells like one of your food recycling bins.
This is scheduled sister time. Please don't spend it deciding what perfume to wear. You said you'd show me how to do a top knot.
As soon as I found the right perfume, we can relax. You know how it goes. See? Print ink with top notes of sensible. You picked the perfect... You're
I'm
not wearing any perfume.
Look, I found this old video of us. Remember that?
Ew. Who'd want to smell like school canteen? Eject.
Why won't it stay? Can't you help?
I can help. Everyone must have this problem. Oh, invention. The perfect perfume.
What? Now? What about me?
Who would want to smell like you? I'll design the bottle. I'll do an amazing advert, and I'll call it something Novi.
Or how about not that? We're in scheduled sister time right now.
I want my own perfume made by me.
Nova, please don't do a tantrum.
I will do a tantrum. I'll...
Tantrum.
I know. Good news, Novalites. I have a brand new perfume for you to want.
Could you please not announce something we haven't even made yet?
Sold out.
Cancel sister time, add contact perfume makers.
Sold in its own designer bottle. I can't wait to make the advert. Imagine me in a field and we need a song. You should write all this down.
You are impossible. Work's done for the day. Time for some relaxing fun. Recycling. Paper, white bin, plastic, green bin. Do you still have these shoes?
Loved them, wore them, bored of them.
Pink bin.
I'm bored. Put one of my tracks on.
You put one of your tracks on.
But I'm comfy. It's too much effort.
Okay, play music.
Thank you. That looked exhausting.
I'm only your sister and your manager, Nova. I'm not going to do everything for you. This is a new one. I like it.
I know, it's good. But I don't remember recording it.
Yes, you did. This is when you sang in a boy's voice for a laugh, remember? No. Yes, you do.
Display track information.
Oh, now you can spend the effort.
Wobble, Help, I'm Too Awesome by Johnny Keaton and Monarchy. McLaren, quick, there's something wrong with the music player.
Current Big Bang music chart position number 15.
Number 15? But the charts is where I go.
Help! I'm too awesome!
I can make the moves. I can hit the notes. You know I got what it takes, ain't nothing that I gotta fake. Ta-da! Kid songwriter. All right, what's the point in being amazingly talented if there's no one around to tell me I'm amazingly talented? Huh? Rehearsal cam. The crew will be glued to it. Be right up. Prepare to tell me how amazingly talented I am. Woo!
Oh, wow, such amazing talent.
That is impressive.
Universe Has Talent is my all-time best ever show.
Highest ratings in the galaxy. Billions of viewers tuning in for new performances of old songs.
Sounds like a load of recycling.
That's probably why I love it.
If you ask me, all these shows just
Feed off other people's talents.
Stand by, everyone. Coming in for my rehearsal compliments. Quick, turn over, turn it back on. The big red button.
Prepare to eject toilet.
That wasn't a room, no!
Toilet eject successful.
I was only having a quick tinkle.
So, what do you think? Aren't you all loving watching me on Universe Has Talent? Why aren't you watching my rehearsal cam? Universe don't has talent. I has talent. In fact, it should be me on that show. Put me on it. Make it happen. The talent. My face goes there. Me now. Nova face. Talent there. Happen. Me face there. Now. Talent now. Making it happen.
McLaren, Nova, face, show, now. My sister, I know. Okay, set course for Universe Has Talent.
on course for the talent planet.
You know it's no contest. I'll stay in my own lane. I'm the best at my own game. I'ma do what I do best.
We call it a cappella. No band, no instruments, just voices. Music that is deeply personal, deeply vulnerable. You've shown courage, Nova Jones. A cappella Nova might be your finest album yet.
Selfies! Doggy photo! Crowsies! Photos!
A cappella Nova also includes no phones.
Right, troops, Acapella Nova launches tonight with an exclusive live stream performance online.
Beep! And Pete mega fans are going to be face to camera to face with Nova Jones!
Acapella Nova means I couldn't be bothered to buy instruments, huh? What? No?
After the performance, I'll release my sister's album. Online exclusive, no packaging mistakes. It'll be huge. There's genuine concern it might blow a hole in the universe.
Did you get the big sticky tape?
Now, it is crucial we do not stress Nova out or distract her.
Oh, an email! Exciting!
That's not an email. It's an alert. Someone's put a nasty comment on Nova's social media.
You thought that was funny?
It does happen, Sid. Once a year or so.
Nova looks like a shoe, and she sounds like one too. How could anybody say something so mean?
And what does a shoe even sound like? Impressive.
Delete. Another one? Huh? What's going on? There's so many. Too many to delete. Nova can't see these. I'm afraid we have to stop Nova looking at her phone.
You're watching Access All Absolutely Awesome Areas.
This week on AAAAA, we rocket to fame with a tour of Nova Jones's pad, the Jefferson Spaceship.
Welcome to my suite. It's totally sweet. You know, sometimes I can't sleep out of excitement of knowing I actually sleep here.
Absolutely awesome.
I stood there once. Me, Nova Jones, the pop sensation who's played every galaxy in the known universe. And the unknown, too.
Wow. Except the Waggleverse, of course. Fun fact, no performer has ever played there.
And cut to commercials, out of bounds chit-chat.
I meant I'll have played every single galaxy as of tonight.
Oh no.
That's right. I can exclusively reveal I'll be rocking the Waggleverse tonight.
Another AAAAA exclusive. Stay tuned for more in part 2.
And we're out.
This outfit is so part 1.
Nova, there's a reason no one plays the Waggleverse. Its atmosphere is pure Whiplium. Very pitch to auto-tune nightmare. See? Whiplium! That's not singing. That's career-ending embarrassing.
Relax, McLaren. I'm Nova Jones. I don't do embarrassing.
I'm exhausted. Every bit of me is tired. Look at my hands. And you've been singing non-stop for weeks. How are you?
I don't want to be Nova anymore. My whole me hurts.
Are you losing your voice?
SYCH. Shut your cake hole. I'm galactic megastar Nova Jones.
I thought you didn't want to be you anymore.
That was ages ago. Why are you bringing it up now? I'm me. I can't lose my voice. I always know exactly where it is. And besides,
Oh, wow. I think this is the longest I've gone without hearing your voice. I can hear the air conditioning, and the ship's engines, and my own voice.
What are we gonna do?
Oh, wait. We've got a performance in 2 days. The Planet of Invisible Apes. They get really upset if you cancel, I assume. No, you're right. This is a crisis. Nova Jones has lost her voice. This has been a great day's managering for me. Nova's going to sing the song for the next Jenny Forever movie.
Shh.
So long as you got.
Yes, they agreed to buy you a teddy bear the size of a house.
With
pyjamas on? Like I'd forget.
Who's the lady driving the car?
Jenny Forever!
Have I asked that before?
It's okay, Captain. I get confused with the stories sometimes too, and...
Oh, wow! Agent E has found the secret evidence that Bigglesnoot's a traitor!
Jenny should not go to a secret meeting in those trousers. Total spy trousers. This guy's got to know who she is right away.
But did you also learn that I love you?
Johnny Stop the film!
Nova!
Johnny's in films. He's a movie star now.
He's in one scene.
Make me a film star now. I'm Nova Jones. I'm the original triple threat. I can sing, I can dance, and...
Can't act.
Oh, what do I hoo-ha?
You're really, really bad. Look.
And the heroes flew down to the rescue, and it was so exciting that the villagers all cheered and they forgot about the ruins of their city because...
There, see? That was perfect. Tomorrow, you're going to make Triple Threat Nova a movie star.
No. I don't want to do that this week. You're obviously a bad actor, and this would be a disaster. So...
Hey there.
Hello.
Hello, Johnny. Hello, Malcolm.
This is still the film.
Did you see the Jenny Forever film? Isn't Johnny great in it?
Oh, Malcolm.
You're a scene stealer. Stealing scenes, stealing hearts. So, Nova, Mac, we just wanted to say, do you want to come to the after party?
No.
After party? After what?
After Johnny wins Best Cameo at the Oscars, he's all set to win. All it takes is talent and top drawer manager.
Cancel call!
I'm going to make you a movie star. Nothing can stop Triple Threat Nova.
I would like to clean that up. Now, from explaining the beans to massive tunes. In just 1 minute, Nova Jones will be joining me for the Smithsonian Live for Playlist Palooza. And I've got some tough questions for the phenomenon other phenomenons call phenomenal.
I only said pick an outfit.
Exactly. Pick an outfit. Like, that's easy to do.
Oh, I find it easy.
Of course you do. Do you even own anything else? I only wanted to grab a few alternates.
How many alternates?
Approximate weight? A baby elephant.
The Dress-O-Matic is right there.
But a second ago, I was in the corridor. What if I needed a quick change? Walk all the way in here and drag myself into the Dress-O-Matic.
Sid, you can stop cleaning now. You're not Cinderella.
But I really got into it. Look! It's so easy with Wipe It All cleaning spray. The cleaner you can use on anything you want to not be there.
Remind me to block the advertisements on your computer.
Wipe It All cleaning spray is not responsible for removal of paintwork, important labels, patterns on plates, or facial features.
See? You have to be careful. People can just absorb any old nonsense they watch.
Pop-a-doodle-doo, playlist palooza people. Nova Jones will be on the hot stool in just 30 seconds.
Hairspray, quick, hairspray.
25, 24.
I can't go on with flimsy follicles.
Captain!
Hairspray.
18, 17, 16.
McLaren.
Sid! Nova?
Hairspray?
Nova!
Who's Nova?
9, 8, 7.
Ooh. Who am I? What's happening now?
Her personality's been wiped by Wipe It All.
The cleaner you can use on anything you want to not be there.
Am I someone who belongs on telly? Okay.
5.
Ow! No! Don't hit him!
Bubbles now, easy now.
She's gone who she is. Wiped her personality. She's gone who she is. Bubbles, you don't say her personality is wiped. No!
Bubbles, very aggressive.
3. 2, 1. Go.